will learn how to make a game. We'll make a game of a witch. Okay. Now to make a game of a witch, what we need is a witch, not a cat. So we have to remove this sprite. Click on this delete icon. Then click on this add. We need witch, so we'll take fantasy. And then here you go. It's very big, so to change the size you have to click on size. We'll make it 70. Okay, now I want to add a background to this witch, so go to stage, choose a backdrop, click here, choose a backdrop what you like. I think I'll go for this. Okay, I'll place the witch over here. Okay, once the witch is here, I will teach you how to move witch ahead, means forward and backward. Before moving forward, let me explain you that right now we are working on the sprite. So when you write a code on the sprite, you should not start your programming with when flag clicked. When flag clicked event is only used to execute the complete program, not the block of a program. So when we write a code on any of the sprites, you have to write the code from the event and not from the when flag clicked. Okay, what we need a control, we need an event. In that event we'll take one event and another event here. What we need, when you press left arrow and when you press right arrow, we need two actions, to move forward and to move backward. So when you press left arrow, what you want to move, so motion, move what, backward. So I'll say backward is always minus and move forward in right arrow. Got it? Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, see, when I press right arrow it moves ahead, and when I press left arrow it moves back. But at the same time I want to change the costume. Let's see how many costumes we have for a witch. Click on costumes. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So moving forward is this, and in B I want to flip this one. Okay, so I change costume B from the horizontal flip. Okay, now again I go back to code. I will say what I want is to move the costume when it moves back. What costume I want? What I want is to set a costume. So I'll show you first. Switch to costume. Okay, here also I'll add switch to costume. When you move forward, you want switch to A, and when you move backward, I want it to switch to B. Let's see how it works. When I press right arrow, it goes forward. When I press left arrow, it switches and moves back. Got it? So this we have done for a witch. Now what I want, to add another sprite, which is ball. Okay, we'll take ball. We'll put the ball at some location. Got it? Now what I want, when the ball comes down, which should go and hit it and get a score. Now how to get a score? For that you have to go to a variable. What you want to add a variable, which is score. Okay, see, now you can see the scoreboard over here. Clear? Now I want to do the coding, not for a witch, because for witch we have already done a coding with right arrow. What to do and with left arrow what to do. Now what comes in picture is the ball. So click on ball. Okay, you can see in this coding window which sprite you are coding for, ball or for a witch. Got it? So now I want to do a coding for a ball. In ball, I'm going to put a action. So let's start with an event. When flag clicked, what I want the ball to go to this position. Okay, so let's start. Go to motion, go to X and Y. Okay, X and Y. So current position of X and Y is 118 and 142, which is correct. And I want to set the score. Set my score to 0 because when you start the score should be 0. Now what I want ball to roll down. For that you are changing what? You are changing Y position. X remains same, the Y changes. How? So it's a motion. So where you will go? Change Y. Change Y by, you are going down. So it should be -1. Keep that in mind, kids. When you are walking horizontally, move forward is plus, but move backward is minus. Same way when you're talking vertical, at that time you're focusing on Y. So Y, when you go up it is positive, but when you go down it is negative. So now I want this ball to come down vertically. So change by -1. Okay? But this action should happen repeatedly. As I have taught you before, go to control, go to forever loop. I'll bring this change my position here. We'll click here and put this here. Let's see what happens. Is ball moving down? Got it? But now the ball will keep on rolling down. I don't want this. What I want is to stop at one position and go to another new position once the witch hits the ball. Got it? So there is some condition. If the witch touches the ball should again go up to some location and then start rolling from there. So in the loop, I am asking you to put some condition. So what we will take? If. So I'll put if. I'll put this block out 1 second. Now I'll put if inside and this outside. In if also what I want? When the sprite touch. Correct? Touch means what? Sensing. So sensing. Touching. What I want? Touching. So I'll put in if condition, if touching the witch. Okay? If touching witch, then what should I do? I have to set the score. Got it? What I have to do? Set the score. That means change my score. I change my variable by 1. So once you touch 1, the score will add up to 1. Okay? And once the score changes, the sprite touches, I have to go to some location. So motion, go to XY. So X should be, okay, I'll write it somewhere -1. But Y should be same to what we started. So 1, 4, 2. Okay? Or you can pick up a random one. X, no need to put 1, -1. Why we want to fix? Let the game itself pick the random position. Okay? In that we have to go to the operators. Operators, What you want? Pick random. So in X, I'll put random from minus 2, 3, 5 to plus 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now let's see actually what happens. Ball went down. Let's put right arrow. See again. Go left, 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 left. Again. Got it? See how the game starts? Okay. Got it? Now one thing if you have noticed, even if my witch touches, the score is not changing. Correct? Why? Because I have not set here. Set what? Set score. Score. Our variable name is score. Change what? Score. Now see. Now let's have a reach. Touch the ball. Yeah. The score changed to 1. Again it will touch. 2. See? Nice kids. Now you all can also practice the same. Got it? The only thing you have to remember in this game is what you want. Be clear what you want and just use the events, variables, controls in proper way. That's it. Okay? In next video we will make more games on other topics. See you. Bye.